Okay, for my mom, we're going to do the clock drawing test. And actually, when Humana was here last week, they actually gave her the same test. So let's go ahead and do it. And um, basically, they're testing for early signs of dementia. So, Mom, I want you on this clock, I want you just to put all the numbers that would be in a regular clock, 1 through 12. Go ahead and write them. Now, I want to name three things, and hopefully you'll remember them. Elephant, and then you got to remember them in this order: elephant, hummingbird, apple. All right. Next, I want you to put the hands, but I want you to do it at 3:10. The time to read 3:10. Okay. That looks pretty good. So, what was the three words that I gave you? The three numbers?
Elephant, hummingbird, apple.
Okay, I think that's right. Um, hopefully that's right. So, anyways, this is the clock drawing test that doctors and medical professionals will give to test for early signs of dementia. And Humana came here last week, and I didn't even realize it because when I came here, I was like, oh, I want to test Mom for this test because we do have a history of dementia in our family. And sure enough, after I gave her a test, she's like, oh, Humana, a medical professional, came here to give me the same test, and they said that I'm A-OK. So that's great. So typically, a doctor or medical professional will do this 3 times. We won't do all 3 times here, but a couple things that they look at. They look at the time that you give, then make sure that it's correct. And as you see here, she did like a small hand for the hour and the long hand for the minute, and 10 minutes, 3, so she did that perfectly. Also, they look at the order of the numbers. So a lot of times, if you have early signs of dementia, you'll squeeze all the numbers on one side. So you'll do like 12, and then you'll do like 1 here, and then 2, 3, and then, so it's like a spatial thing that they test for. So you could see her numbers are really well spread apart. Her her numbers, her hands are perfect here, so she did a great job. Anyways, you can look it up and, of course, consult with a medical professional. Don't take this test as a sign or not a sign, but it's just a early thing that they do to test. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.